Oh, Mino, splash, splash in the river. Blue little lanterns, happy forever. Sunshine, shining, warm and yellow. Summer days make life so mellow. Mino the blue baby elephant woke up dancing in the sun so bright. Tiny trunk and wiggly toes, ready for pure delight. He stomped through flowers big and tall, with butterflies all in a row. The summer breeze was calling out, come on Mino, let's go, let's go. Oh Mino, splash, splash in the river. Blue little elephants, happy forever. Sunshine shining, warm and yellow. Summer days make life so mellow. Clap your hands and swing your feet, dancing to the jungle beat. Mino laughs and twirls around, the happiest elephants in town. He built sandcastles by the shore with crabs that scuttled side to side. A watermelon twice the size made Mino grin so big with pride. He sprayed cool water from his trunk, rainbows sparkling in the sky. The parrots sang, the monkeys jumped as fluffy clouds went drifting by. Oh Mino,